Right, hello students. Yesterday we have completed up to bidentate ligands. Under classification up to bidentate ligands we have completed. Let us continue the same thing. Now we start with the tridentate ligands. Tridentate ligands. Nature of the ligands. Nature of the ligand and the structure of the ligand. Abbreviation used in the complex. So, nature of the ligand, structure of the ligand, abbreviation used in the complex. Let us start with the tridentate negative. Tridentate negative. Under tridentate negative, let us consider this is what imino-diacetate. 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 IDA. The charge is important over each ligand. It is what -2 charge. The structure of the ligand coming to be NH diacetates CH2 C double bond O minus diacetates imino diacetate. It is represented by what? IDA. IDA in the complex. We show this particular IDA by representing with what? IDA. This is what tridentate negative ligand. This is what imino-diacetate IDA. Next, tridentate neutral, let us consider. Tridentate neutral ligand. Tridentate neutral. Diethylene triamine. Diethylene triamine. Diethylene triamine. Diethylene triamine. Diethylene triamine. See diethylenes. CH2 taken to NH. CH2 taken to ice. NH2 and NH2. This is dependent in the complex simply with diene. Diene stands for diethylene triamine. This is what tridentate. This is the first donor, second donor and third donor. In this, the first donor, second donor, third donor. Tridentate negative ligand, tridentate neutral ligand. So, one is what negative ligand, one is what neutral ligand. These two are the important ligands under tridentate. Next, let us see tetradentate negative ligands and tetradentate neutral ligand. Let us start again. Let us take a tetradentate. Tetradentate negative. Tetradentate negative. Tetradentate negative. Under this tetradentate negative, nitrilo triacetate. Nitrilo triacetate. Triacetate. This is having a charge of NTA -3. Over each ligand, the charge over each ligand is important. How it is abbreviated? For the name, structure and abbreviation, charge of the ligand is important. Under tetradentate nitrilo triacetate, the structure of this particular ligand is nitrogen linked to 3 acetate groups CH2 C double bond O minus 1 and second one CH2 C double bond O second one and third one CH2 C double bond O minus. Like this, nitrilo triacetate, first donor, second donor, third donor and fourth donor, 4 donor atom. It is represented in the complex. It is what NTA, nitrilo triacetate. Only one important ligand and tetradentate negative, that is what NTA. Next, let us see the tetradentate neutral ligand. Tetradentate neutral. Tetradentate neutral ligand. Tetradentate neutral. It is triethylene tetramine. Look the board. Triethylene tetramine. Triethylene tetramine. triethylene tetramine, triethylene tetramine. So CH2 taken twice, first ethylene NH, second ethylene CH2 taken twice NH. I said triethylene, one more ethylene group CH2 taken twice, triethylene tetramine. 4 amine groups are there. This therefore it is triethylene tetramine. First donor, second donor, third donor, fourth donor, therefore it tetradentate neutral. It is represented in the complex as triene, triethylene tetramine, triethylene tetramine, tetradentate neutral ligand. So tridentate negative neutral, tetradentate negative neutral. These two are important under tetradentate ligands. One is NTE, the other one is what triene.